Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadia Education Wali. I'm student of Teacher Training Bootcamp 1 at Rehan College Korangi campus. Today I'm sharing Today I am going to present a summary of the inspiring talk What We Are Learning from Online Education by Daphne Collar. Daphne Collar is a computer scientist, education and entrepreneur. She is best known as a co-founder of Coursera, one of the world's largest online learning platforms. Daphne Collar has worked to make high quality education accessible of millions learners around the world through technology and online courses. Summaries of the talk and her talk. Daphne Collar explained how online education is transforming the way people learn traditionally. Access to quality education was limited by location, cost, and availability. Many talented as students around the world could not attend top universities because of these barriers. Online education helps us to solve this problem by making learning accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Learn from expert teacher and professor without leaving their homes. Daphne Collar highlights that the online learning platform can reach millions of learners at the same time. This allows education to become more inclusive and available to people who previous has had limited opportunities. And another important point she discussed in this use of technology to improve learning. Online platform can provide quizzes, instant Facebook video lectures, and interactive activities. Students can learn at their own pace, review difficult concepts, and practice until they understand the material. She also explained that the online education generate valuable data about how students learn. By analyzing this information, educators can identify which teaching method work best and continuously improving courses. Daphne Collar believes that the online learning does not replace teacher. Instead, it allows the teacher to spend less time delivering lectures and more time helping students critically, solve problems, and engage in meaningful discussions. The talk emphasizes that education should be available to everyone regardless of where they live to their functional situation. Technology can help bridge education gaps and create opportunity for long life learning. But I learned from this talk. This talk taught me that the education is becoming more accessible than ever before. I learned that online platform can help students learn new skills, gain knowledge, and connect the expert from around the world. As a student of Teacher Training Bootcamp 1, also I learned that technology can support teaching by making learning more engaging, personalized, and effectively. Conclusion, the technicolor message in that online education has the power of making learning available to millions of people. By using technology wisely, we can create a future where quality education is accessible to everyone. Online learning is not just a new method of teaching, it is an opportunity to transfer education and empower learn around world. Thank you for listening.